So that's what my face looks like without a cat filter. I've been doing Instagram way too much. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. My name is Ashley. Hey, hi, hello if you're new here, and welcome back if you're not. I post weekly videos on random crap or craft. Play on words, not really. But yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. But I don't even know what I was saying now. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And this is just me being unnervous? Yes, I am unnervous. Okay, whatever. I'm very tired. Also, on top of everything else, and I also can't speak. My dogs are driving me insane because they won't start barking. If they're in here, they won't stop barking, and if they're outside, they won't start barking. I figured it's better than being outside barking right now while I'm filming. And I talk a lot with my hands, and I just hit myself in the face, so that's what's going to be happening. So I just wanted to jump on here really quick. This is not the 50 millionth time I have made this video. No, not at all. I just wanted to jump on here real quick, and this, oh my god. Everything that could go wrong today is going wrong today. Everything that is irritating me is because I'm not in a good mood. So I'm just going to continue and ignore my fucking phone. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mute it for now. Tell Luna to shut up. And then see if that helps me feel any better. It probably really won't because it's still happening. So I'm just going to continue. I'm sorry, I didn't mute all that crap. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I will probably edit all that out because I was yelling at the dog. I have been making masks, and that word sounds so wrong. I have been making masks, whatever. I've been making them, these things right here you put on your face and to block other people's spittle and coughing and stuff like that, even though it's not CDC rated. I have been making these and putting them in my Etsy shop, which I just released. Or not released, but opened, because words. And I will put a link down in the description box below. Go buy some if you want some. I only have 3 in there as of now. This style, this size, this design, whatever, the pattern, whatever you want to call it, will be coming out next week. Hopefully this video will be up Friday the 17th. It should be a quick edit because I'm just going to be chopping it up and not doing anything special to it. This will be in there next week. These are a size small, medium, and the ones I have in there listed right now are a medium large. And why they are a medium large and the reason why they are a medium large and a small medium, like I will show you real quick. It is an adjustable side, so that means you can make it tighter on your face or looser on your face. And I make the strings long enough that they are adjustable in here, so you can pull them through. Don't pull them out, because I'd be dumb. But to pull them through and adjust just how tight you want it against your face. I will be putting the size of the masks in the descriptions on the post on the whatever you call it, on the page where you look at the item. The size will be in there. They do vary from size to size because they are all handmade. Anyway, they will I'm having to text my husband. Anyway, they will vary from size, or not size, but the what do you call it, from like the width and the height, just by a little bit. I put an approximate between size on them, and they might not be right on, or they may be right on some days. I don't know. It's because they're all handmade, so they're all going to be different by just a little bit. For me, I am not perfect. Like I said, I just moved that. I don't even know why. Sorry. I am nervous and irritated, and I'm not having a good day. Anyway, probably already said that. This video is really rambly. Sorry. I don't know why I keep saying sorry. I have nothing to be sorry for. This is what it is. My battery's gonna die. Great. So I guess I'll hurry up and wrap this video up. I do plan on putting other things in my shop. I would like to put other things in my shop, but my problem is I am a Debbie Downer on myself, a negative Nancy to myself, and I don't think all my products are of quality. It took me a lot of talking into by my husband to say, hey, these are good. This is a good idea. Put them in your shop, because I started making him masks and my parents masks, and they liked them, and I did up like what I did. Wow, I'm just done. I did up the design of them, so I added in the wire string, or not string, but panel in here for your nose bridge and to go across your face, so it will be tighter on your face. Now the ones I gave my parents do not have that, and I will probably update their masks later on, but not as right now because I cannot come in contact with them, which sucks. But anyway, I will eventually start putting other things on my shop as well as these. It's not just going to be just these. I had intended on making a shop for a long time, but like I said, I'm not great at self-promoting. I am great cheerleader to other people, and I will tell you 100% if I don't like your product, but if I think you can do it and I think it's good or going in a good direction, I will say, hey, this might help if you do this, or whatever, you know, whatever it is. I'm good at telling other people, hey, you're doing great, good job, keep going. But for me, I'm like, you suck, this sucks, that's crap. I've done it all my life, and it probably won't change, but I am trying to change it. And I'm sorry. Anyway, so I better cut off real quick, so I've got about 5 seconds before it cuts off again. I just wanted to say, my camera cut out, so I don't even know where I was at. I think I was saying okay bye, but I tried to catch it like a bunch, and it didn't really work, and I'm sorry if I'm shaking. Let's see if I can rest this here. Anyway, I don't even know what I was saying, so maybe I should start again, but at the same time I don't really want to. Yeah, I don't know. I was talking about me being negative. I'm negative on myself, cheerleader to other people, whatever. I just wanted to jump on and say, hey, this is what's going on. This is what's going on with my channel for a minute. I'm going to be doing the shop for a minute, and hopefully I will have a video next week. Maybe I'll just have a video of me sewing some masks and maybe talking to you guys. And that, I don't know why that word is so hard for me to say. Mask, whatever. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Just wanted to say that's what's going on. I hope you enjoy this video. It's not really much of anything other than saying this is what it is. It is what